Understanding the phrase, Valentine's card, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the charming world of Valentine's Day and exploring the meaning of the phrase, Valentine's card. This phrase is not only common in English-speaking countries but also steeped in cultural significance. Let's unravel its meaning together. A Valentine's card is a greeting card that people give to someone they have romantic feelings for, especially on Valentine's Day. This tradition is a way to express love or affection, typically in a sweet, humorous, or heartfelt manner. These cards often feature hearts, Cupid, roses, and loving messages. Valentine's cards have a rich history dating back to the 18th century. Originally handmade and written, these cards have evolved into a massive industry today. They are a key symbol of Valentine's Day, representing love, romance, and friendship. Choosing the right Valentine's card can be a thoughtful process. It should reflect the nature of your relationship and the message you wish to convey. When writing a card, use sincere words and personalize your message to make it special and meaningful. While Valentine's cards are predominantly popular in Western cultures, they have found their way across the globe. In some cultures, the practice may vary, and Valentine's Day might be celebrated differently or have similar traditions under different names. We hope this video has shed light on the charming tradition of Valentine's cards and their significance in expressing affection. Whether you're choosing, writing, or simply learning about them, remember that Valentine's cards are a beautiful way to express your feelings. Happy Valentine's Day, and may your language learning journey be as fulfilling as a well-chosen Valentine's card.